Spiritual Center presents How to Make Anyone Find You Irresistible. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to make yourself absolutely irresistible to anyone. Whether you're looking to enhance your dating life or simply want to make a lasting impression, these tips are for you. Let's dive in. Becoming irresistible isn't about changing who you are, but rather enhancing your best qualities and developing key skills that attract others. Here are some tried and true techniques to make anyone find you irresistible. Tip 1. Confidence is key. One of the most attractive qualities you can possess is confidence. Confidence radiates an aura of self-assuredness that captivates others. Stand tall, believe in yourself, and embrace your uniqueness. When you exude confidence, you become magnetic and draw people towards you. Tip 2. Embrace your authentic self. Embracing who you truly are is essential to being irresistible. When you are authentic, you attract people who appreciate you for who you genuinely are. Embrace your quirks, passions, and interests. Be true to yourself, and you'll naturally attract those who are drawn to your authenticity. Tip 3. Good hygiene and self-care. Taking care of yourself is crucial in making a lasting impression. Maintaining good hygiene, grooming, and presenting yourself well sends a message that you value yourself. When you prioritize self-care, it shows others that you respect yourself, and they'll find that irresistible. Tip 4. Develop active listening skills. Being a great listener is a powerful way to make yourself irresistible. When you genuinely listen to others, showing interest and empathy, it creates a deep connection. Practice active listening by giving your full attention, asking follow-up questions, and truly engaging in conversations. Tip 5. Show genuine interest in others. People are naturally attracted to those who show genuine interest in them. Ask questions, remember details, and actively engage in conversations. By showing genuine interest in others, you make them feel valued and important. This quality will undoubtedly make you irresistible. Tip 6. Develop a positive and optimistic mindset. Positivity is a magnet for others. Maintain a positive outlook on life and approach situations with optimism. Your positive energy will draw people towards you and create a joyful and uplifting atmosphere. Tip 7. Cultivate a sense of humor. A good sense of humor is irresistible. Find the joy in life, appreciate the funny side of situations, and share a laugh with others. A well-timed joke or a light-hearted attitude can create an instant connection and make you incredibly appealing. Tip 8. Practice empathy and kindness. Kindness is a universal language of attraction. When you practice empathy and kindness, you create a warm and inviting environment. Show compassion towards others, lend a helping hand, and spread positivity. People are naturally drawn to those who exhibit kindness and empathy. Tip 9. Develop your communication skills. Effective communication is a powerful tool in making yourself irresistible. Work on expressing yourself clearly, articulating your thoughts, and listening attentively. Good communication fosters understanding and connection, making you more appealing to others. Tip 10. Take care of your physical appearance. While inner beauty is important, taking care of your physical appearance can enhance your irresistible qualities. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Take care of your grooming, maintain a healthy lifestyle, and exude a positive energy through your physical presence. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below.